dead, or there is also a table there. So yeah, I am now pedaling to survive. Ohayo gozaimasu minasan. Today I will be traveling 150 kilometers with the elevation of 1.5. My technique today, I will be serving my energy for 90 kilometers, and then by 90 onwards I will burst, so that I will have the energy to perform with this ride. And please enjoy the ride and enjoy the view. I will update you at every 10 kilometers. So many Japanese people here are trying to walk every day, every morning. As you can see, the Japanese are really very active in sports or any activity that involves physical exertion. Konnichiwa minasan. So I came up with this 8.6 kilometer road, which wherein you can ride, you can jog here and walk, and it is located at the Anju city. So I'll just show you, and yeah, enjoy the view. So this road consists of 36.3 kilometers. So it is really safe for the cyclist, for the one who are actively running in here, because there is no cars. So enjoy the view as I cruise in this 36.3 kilometers of road. Look how many people are doing the physical activities right now. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm still at this 36.3 kilometers bike lane here in Toyohashi. I mean, it's not really Anju, so it's Toyohashi city. So it's so convenient for all the riders, especially if you're cycling enthusiast. Yeah, look at the road here. It's beautiful. And the temperature in this day is 29 to 32 degrees Celsius. So it's not really safe if you're not hydrating enough. Let's go. So I have seen a cyclist. He's also alone, but unfortunately I am at the right side of the road by the time I saw him. So I want to return the favor by the Good Samaritan that are helping me. So that's why I go to this side, left side. But unfortunately, but it's good for him that the tire is already good. So by the time that I approach him, so he already started cycling. So it's good. Yeah. And thank you for the two Good Samaritans last time that helped me with my puncture. Yeah. So I already traveled 30 kilometers and it's really very hot today. But I am hydrating fast. I am not waiting for my body to feel the thirst. So that's really very important this time because it's summer here in Japan. I'll just update you at 40 kilometers. So when you're already at the heat of the sun for a long time, and then you crave for the shade of the trees. So it's so refreshing. Oh. By the way, I'm now at my 40th kilometer, and the elevation is still flat. I am now expecting to start the climb at 45 kilometers. Yeah, it will be exciting. Look at the road here in this city. So beautiful. Yes. Enjoy the view, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be updated to my videos and adventure here in Japan, especially if you love cycling, hiking, or you just want to enjoy the refreshment of riding here in Japan. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Konnichiwa minasan. So I stopped over here at this beautiful torii gate here in the Yamazaki city. Look at that, so beautiful. It's as I was riding here in this road, so I was mesmerized by this beautiful structure here. So on this beautiful stone carved with village, I think this is a village. Yeah, actually I can't read yet more of the kanji, so look at that beautiful stone. And then here there is a torii gate with, there's no painting, it's just clear, there's no finished. As you can see in Japan, the torii gate is really a symbol of a legendary gate. It is because this torii gate is a gate to heaven. Yeah, please enjoy the view. Konnichiwa minasan. So I stopped over here at the Dele Yamazaki here because I think I will now eat my lunch, but it's still 10:20. But I will eat early because I think at the destination that I want to go there will be no a convenience or supermarket. That's why I will give food to my tongue first. Ooh. There is also a table there, so it's really very good. Yeah, I will eat my lunch here first. Yes. So miso. Oh, let's find a good bento here. Oh, chicken. This one chicken. Okay, that's good. Mayo bento, water, and then oh, they have selection of bread here. Look at that. I will buy a haribo. So haribo is good for, sugar for cycling. Haribo, where are you? I found the haribo here. This one for my snacks later. Energy. This will be my first time trying this energy. Yeah, let's try this. Then ice cream. This one. I think I'm good. I have obento, ice cream, energy, water, and then haribo. Yeshimasu.
弁当温めますか？
はい、お願いします。あ、ここで食べて大丈夫ですか？
税金変わりますけどよろしいですか？
大丈夫です。So I'm eating early because I was conquering the 1,500 meters every day. So I bought this that has an egg, rice, and then bananas. So if you will eat at this kind of convenience wherein there is table, you will have to pay another tax for eating here. So I have to finish my meal with this ice cream for energy. This one. Thank you, Thomas. Outside it's really very hot. It's 40 degrees. On my face it's really burning. I am now done with my lunch, so I will be back to the route that I am making. So it's really very hot today, and let's do this. So I bought some Haribo and energy, so that by the time when I get hungry at the summit, I will still have food to eat. Okay? ではまたね。Konnichiwa, minasan. So I'm now at my 50 kilometers. So yeah, I am riding right now at the sidewalk because there are many shades of the tree. Look at that. And it's really very hot. Look at that highway. There's no single shade of a tree. It's a pure heat. That's pure heat. But anyways, back on my country at the Philippines. So it's really very hot there. Especially summer, it's 37. But right now it's 39 here in Japan. And it's still August. I mean, it's still July. So by August, it will spike more. And the Japan has announced that there are many I mean, in Japan they have news that there are many person or people that have encountered heat stroke because of the summer. Summer here is not really a joke. It's really pure heat, especially if you're outside like this in an activity. So you gotta be careful. You have to be hydrated at all times, and yeah, listen to your body so that there will be no incident or accident happen to you. Okay, so I will update you at 60 kilometers. Bye bye. So I found a snake here, and I think it's already dried up. It's because of the heat wave here in Japan. Just look at that. I don't know if it's dead or... yeah, it's dead. It literally fried up under the heat of the sun. So hot in here. There's no joke. Poor snake. Didn't make it alive. I think he's going to this little water system here, but he did not make it. Yeah, I think there's no injuries. Oh, no injuries. Yeah. So I'm now entering at the first climb of the day. Yeah. And look at the beautiful house there. Wow. Look at that. It's a village house. So beautiful. Ooh. I think it's a vacation house. Do you see it? It's beautiful, isn't it? But yeah, don't forget that we are still on the climb. Yes. Favorite part of the climb, I mean the ride, is the climb. The climb. Yes, of course. Whoa, look at this beautiful climb here. There's so many trees. I don't want to go out in this road. I just want to be in here. I can feel the breeze, the fresh breeze of the trees. Look at that. Oh, look at behind me. There are so many trees. This is just one of the perks of riding a bicycle here in Japan. Beautiful view, fresh breeze, even though it's summer. But yeah, we're not really focusing on the heat of the sun, but we're focusing on the good side of the summer here. Let's not focus on the negative side. Well, look at that. The trees are really straight. There are some branches, but too small. Wow. Oh, what is this? Restaurant. Oh, there's a restaurant here. Oh, that katakana reads restaurant. Oh, really? But I'm done eating. I think it's closed. It's closed. I need to switch to the highway. There's so many stones and sands in the sidewalk. It's too dangerous. Yeah, much better. Downhill after the uphill. Yeah. Very windy today. It's okay, it's because we're on downhill, but when you're uphill and then there's a headwind, it's really very difficult to climb, especially if you're the only one riding. But right now we are on the flat road. It's okay. Right now I am using my aerodynamic position because yeah, really very strong headwind, because if not my effort will be, you know, wasted. I need to be low as much as possible. Yeah, much better. Riders, motor riders. Siguro na time trial mode. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now at the 65-kilometer mark, and then I just stop over here at this greenery scenery, green scenery I mean, with the shade of a tree. Yes, right up there, it's very straight. And then I eat some haribo and drink some water so that it can replenish my ions lost. Well, there are some time trialists here. Wow. Sugoi. I think there is an event today, road cycling event. I really don't know, but there are very many cyclists passing in here, so maybe. I think that is the most exciting part when riding the bicycle. You will meet very many cyclists, and then you will hear a different kind of exhaust on their motorbikes. Yeah, I love motorcycles also. Way back in my country, I have a motorcycle. Well, another cyclist here. Time trial again. Ooh, very nice bike, Cervelo. Ooh, there's water here. We need to replenish what is lost. Okay, water. Yeah, there is water. There is water. Yeah, kunidyo ne. Oh, ayaw ne. This water is already at 120 yen, but still is very small. At the supermarket, you can buy 120 or a 110 with bigger than or 2 liters of water worth 110. Ah, very strong. It's so cold. Ooh, yeah. Oh, the road here has speed bumps so that there will be no overshooting, or should I say bunking. Ooh, that's a very Ooh. Which one? Wow, beautiful scenery here. Enjoy the view. Ooh. Sure. So as you can see, this is my downhill. So afterwards, I will be climbing this. I'm not really pro in descending, but yeah, it's better safe than going too fast. It's really very dangerous. Wow. Are? Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now at my 76.7 kilometer mark, and I'm now at the Okazaki city. So this place is really beautiful, as you can see way back there in my downhill. So it's really very good. It's really a very good nature place. So there are very many rivers and many trees, and yeah, it's full of nature. So I will update you at my 80-kilometer mark. Ciao. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now at my 80-kilometer mark. So I really was out of my map because, as you can see, there's no cellular data in here. It's because it's mountainous area. But then again, I think I need to go back there and climb that area, or that road that I ride downhill right there, because it's still 1 o'clock. I think I can do that. So yeah, I can still do this. I need to go back there and then climb that. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now at the base of the climb. So I will be climbing right there. So this is a resort, and right there will be a river, and some families are camping there. So I'm now fueling. This is energy with 120 kilocalories. in preparation for my climb. So this is the road that I rode downhill, and then I am now conquering this climb. I hope that it will go easy for us and safe, because there are so many motorists here trying to do their bunking skills. You know, look at the view here. Wow. Koragari Trail Park. Ooh. So there is a trail park here for those who are mountain biking. I just noticed that in this forest there is a perfume scent. I don't know what kind of tree that releases this kind of scent, but I think it's the natural scent of this city, of this forest, I mean. So I'm still using my number 1 chain ring. I'm still reserving my number 2 for the most steep part. Oh, he overturned. Konnichiwa minasan. So I just conquered that climb that I take, that the road that I take during my downhill. Pretty good, very nice. Yeah, I am now 91.1 kilometer mark to my total destination. Replenish my energy that I lost during my climb. Oh, oishi, delicious. And you can feel a mint in your stomach. It's cold. Ja, I will update you at my 100 kilometer mark. Konnichiwa minasan. So this is a gradient 9 uphill. Yeah, I just enjoy this and not worrying about my legs, but the legs is really worrying to me. Yeah, feels good to climb downhill. Of course, if there's an uphill, there will always be a downhill. Woohoo! Wow! Feels good. Another uphill ahead. Yeah, but this is a really good uphill because I've done my exercises, my leg exercises. But this ride is my longest ride, the 150 kilometer, because my past ride is I think 148, but the elevation is not really that high, just 200 meters of elevation. And then today it is my longest ride, and then the elevation is 1500 kilometers, I mean 1500 meters of elevation. So enjoy the ride, enjoy the view as I enjoy myself here. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified in my next video, and you will be amazed by my Japan adventure. Oh, 9% gradient, 10% gradient, higher bunker. So I'm so glad that my tire really cooperates today, and we didn't get a puncture to our other tires, front and rear. So thanks God. And the weather today is really good. My speed is 4.8. 11% gradient. Now it's getting steeper and steeper. I still have one gear left for the steepest part. Konnichiwa minasan. So I am almost done with my uphill, and as you can see right there, it's already downhill. Yes. So I will just update you at 100 kilometer mark. Dane. Whoa, I deserve this downhill. Oh, you're right. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now 100-kilometer mark to my destination, and yeah, I'm done with all of my uphills, so I'm now enjoying the downhill. Look at that, look at the view. And I was just astonished by the beautiful river here. So there were very many families who are swimming and camping, enjoying the fresh air, fresh water, the cold water. And I want to try, but actually I didn't bring any clothes to me, so that's why, yeah, I just passed for this time. And I'm now at the Okazaki city. Look at that, look at the river here. So actually there are no parking, and you can enjoy the view here. So as you can see, yeah. And I will try to stop over at the mini stop. So I search at the map where the nearest convenience is, or what nearest convenience is, and it says mini stop at 5.2 kilometer. So I will try to put some food at my stomach so that I can endure this heat, and yeah, I can still pedal going home. So the remaining distance to our destination today is 43.3 kilometers. Yeah, I wish this shade of the tree will last until the city, but unfortunately it is just, you know, until the city only. Yeah, enjoy the view, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and so that you will be notified to my latest adventure here in Japan. Dewa, mata ne. I want to draft. Whoa. Bunay na. I thought he was just joking. Draft. Whoa, average speed is 30. So he's helping me. Tsuyoine. So I'm so happy to have this bench. They were just chilling, and I'm already in a full throttle. Tsuyoy ne. So I'm so lucky because today it's really windy, and this what is the name of this club? SU Cycling Club is here to to help me. So I will try to grab this opportunity, but as long as my SD card can cover. Arigatou gozaimasu. Minna tsuyoy ne.
かっこいい自転車。
あなたも。
ありがとう。どこから来たんですか。どこから。
Tsumuraga. Okazaki? Okazaki.
一緒。
あ、一緒。
一緒。
あー。Ooh, I'm out of gas. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm out of gas. I need to find the nearest combini. Wow. The average 38 kilometers an hour. I can't do that. I still don't train that kind of zone. Wow. They're strong. I mean, thank you for the ride. I'm done. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now at my 125.8 kilometer mark. So I stopped over here at the Family Mart so that I can take snacks and to give energy for me as the remaining kilometers is approaching. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now at the 130 kilometer mark to our destination. So I'm now out of energy, even though I have done my snacks. It's so hot. Yeah, brutal 150 kilometer with 15 meters of elevation. Yeah, so 27.6 kilometers to go. Done. Konnichiwa minasan. So today I already traveled 140 kilometers with an elevation gain of 1464. Yeah, so I will just update you at my apartment when I arrive. I really lost all my energy during the chasing when I joined the group of cyclists there at the, where city is that? Yeah, I am now pedaling to survive going to my apartment. It's really very hard. at that scorching heat. I mean, oh, I did not expect that. I did not anticipate that I still have a long way to go. Right now I am averaging with an 18.4 kilometer an hour. So yeah, I will be arriving home late today. I am saving my legs. I am surviving now. I don't really have that much energy left. Diba, mata na. Konnichiwa minasan. So my legs already started to cramp up, and yeah, I am just trying to stretch it out so that it will be back to normal, and I hope I can still go to my apartment. So I still have 10 kilometers to go, and yeah, I will update you when I arrive. Yeah. So during my stop at the stoplight, so I can feel that my leg muscle already starting to cramp. So I tried to massage it right there, and then yeah, it came back. I hope that I can still go to my apartment. Yeah, bye. Konnichiwa minasan. So I managed to survive somehow. So I'm now near to my apartment, and yeah, 5.9 kilometers to go to arrive at my apartment. Thanks God. It's really a tiring day. 152 kilometers in total and 15 meters of elevation. I will update you when I arrive at my apartment. Diyan eh. I am now near to my apartment, and yeah, my SD card has only 1 minute left of video recording, so I will be saying goodbye to you in here. Diba, mata na eh. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to like my videos. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Mite korete arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye.